In this video, I will show you how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So before we can do this, there's just a couple of things you're going to want to check. So if you come across to Roblox and log into your account, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon. From here, you want to come down and click onto settings, and that's going to take you across to your account settings. And then from here, there's just a couple of things you need to make sure. Now, you need to make sure that you have a adult account, so a 13 plus account. You cannot currently do this if your account is a child account. And if you do try to change the display name and you do get any errors, you can also try changing your account location to the United States. But for myself, for the UK, it works absolutely fine. Now, to go ahead and actually change to a Chinese display name, all you want to do is open up a new tab and come across to google.com. And then in the Google search box, you just want to go ahead and search for Google Translate. So this can open up Google Translate, and what you now want to do is come up to the boxes and choose the language that you want to translate from. So for my case, that's going to be English, and in the second box, we're just going to go ahead and find Chinese and then select Chinese from here. So as you can see, we got simplified or traditional, so it's up to you what you want to use. But once you've done that, you just want to type the name that you want to translate into Chinese. So for example, if I put Tech Tutor, as you can see, we're going to get the letter and the characters. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and copy these characters just like so. Then we can come back to Roblox, and next to our display name just here, you're going to see this pencil icon. So you just want to click onto the pencil icon. Then what you can do is proceed to enter your Chinese characters into here, and then come down and click the save button at the bottom. So after you've done that, what's going to happen, you're going to get a pop-up saying save successfully. As you can see, we've now changed our display name to Chinese, and that is how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox 2024. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.